Guys, what is going on? I hope you are having a great day. Today, I wanted to share with you value add stocks that can add so much value to your investment portfolio. Before I begin, I'd like to advise you that all of the information I'm sharing should be used as guidance, and whenever you do make investments, please make sure to always do your research. Let's begin. First stock I wanted to talk about quickly is Genprex. Gnpx. Today, the share price ramped all the way up to about over 170% in positive proceeds. This company previously reached $7 back in 2021 Q1, and it's great to see that the share price doubled by close to 2x, given that there was news how the company announced that its gene therapy product has been granted FDA fast track for its lung cancer research. That's huge news, and the question is whether it can ramp back up to $7. I firmly believe that it can, and it's great to see the share price go up significantly today. Next company I wanted to talk about is Tesla. We all know Tesla is a bullish company that's part of so many index funds. Why is the price driven up today? We know that there was news how its fourth quarter results was released, where the company had annual sales of 87% improvement in the year 2021, with plans to produce more than 1 million cars for 2022. In fact, its Q4 results was that it produced 303,000 Tesla vehicles. That's huge news, and there's just going to be more money flowing into Tesla, and I believe that it can break the $2,000 range in the coming 2022. Next stock I wanted to talk about is Santo Mining. This company is a penny stock that has been driving up its price. I mean, it was in the double zeros recently, and last week it ramped up by about 100%. Today it ramped up by another 64%. So the sun has shined on to Santo Mining, and in fact, Santo Blockchain Labs purchased 50 Bitcoin ATM machines. I firmly believe that it can reach its prior resistance, as you can see here, the 3 cents, and that's coming very soon. At a minimum, we'll see the 3 cents be reached in Q2 of 2022 or earlier. Next company I wanted to talk about is Zomedica. I recommended this company at 7 cents early on over a year ago, and it ramped all the way up close to $3, one of the biggest gains. However, I definitely think it's still undervalued, and it's great to see it drive up today with 15% in gains. I believe Zomedica will get back into the dollar land, given that its True Forma product is really transforming how we look at healthcare, at least in the veterinarian space, adding value for thyroid research, and it will gain market share from its competitor. I believe that by Q2, it will break through the dollar range from my perspective. Next company I wanted to talk about is Bionano Genomics. This company previously ran all the way up to $15 last year, and I definitely think that it has the potential for 5x gains with Bngo, and there's news how it will pioneer optical genome mapping solutions on the Sapphire system and improving cytogenetics and transforming how we look at genomics, advancing the biotech sector with Bngo based out in San Diego, California. Next company I wanted to talk about is Sundial Growers, ticker Sndl. This company last year was close to $4. I definitely think this is at a discounted price, so if you buy low, you set your exit price and you sell high. We know that cannabis related stocks will start gaining traction, and for those reasons Sundial Growers will start catapulting up, having a U-shape, V-shape from my perspective. And this company isn't going away. I mean, this company in the NASDAQ market will start reaching the dollar range in 2022. The question is when? Will it happen in Q1 or Q2? I think that Q1 it could potentially reach that. Next company I wanted to talk about is Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions, Aitx. Today, it's great to see that it ramped up close to 40%. Back in 2021, early on, it reached close to 30 cents. I definitely think it's undervalued, and we shall see the V-shape take place here. And the company is selling its security robot systems to vendors at this time. In fact, there's a sales order of like 10 units. I believe that it will start gaining traction given that there's just so much hype in the meta space, in innovations technology space, so artificial intelligence will start increasing as well. Next stock I wanted to talk about is iBio, a plant-based vaccine-related company. It's great to see the share price reach close to 10% gains today. I believe that come Q1, Q2 of this year, we shall see it break the dollar range and start gain traction again. And we'll just let the CEO Tom Ice do his job, release news with its collaboration with the Food and Drug Administration. And once press release news is released for its iBio 202 program as well as iBio 201, we shall see the share price start catapulting up. It's been a hell of a ride in 2021, but what goes down will start going up, and that's with iBio. Next company I wanted to talk about is Immx Biopharma, Immx. What's driving this company up? I believe that it's been quiet throughout the year and the volcano is about to erupt. And I believe that where the current share price is at with $5, it can easily ramp up to its prior resistance of $8. Today it ran all the way up to 62% gains because the FDA has granted rare pediatric disease designation to its drug product for researching in pediatric patients with cancer. That's huge news, and I firmly believe that this biotech play will start adding value to investors. Next company I wanted to talk about is Meta Materials. Anything with the word meta, you know that 2022 is going to ramp up. It's nice to see 15% gains today. Its 52-week range was $21. I definitely think $2.83 is buying low. If you set it for a 5x gain, you can win with this stock in the year 2022. So let's monitor this baby. Next stock I wanted to talk about is ImmunityBio, Ibrx. Today it gained by about 23% given that there is news how the company has a joint venture for next generation COVID-19 RNA vaccine. This is huge because back in early February of last year, the company share price was around $40 and now it's in the single digits. The question is, can it run back up? I believe that it can, and it's buying low at a discounted price and selling high. Next company I wanted to talk about is Innerscope Hearing Technologies. This company share price was about 9 cents last year and it's currently at 1 cent. I believe that come Q1, Q2 of this year, it's going to run up to 10 cents or more, given that this company has made so much milestones and it won't stop there. It will continue bull running, and 2022 is the year to see INND start gaining traction with the partnership with Hearing Assist, one of the largest Walmart suppliers that they're working with, and it's only going to add value in the long-term space, gaining market share in the hearing aid sector. Next company I wanted to talk about is Skye Bioscience, a biotechnology company, bioengineering a drug product using cannabis for glaucoma patients to advance medical unmet needs. This is really going to start gaining traction in the year 2022, and I firmly believe that once it reaches human clinical trials, the share price can go at a minimum from 50 cents to $3. So be on the lookout with Skye, because Skye is limitless and we shall see it catapult in the year 2022. So overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content. Thank you so much.